Hey guys, salut mes amis och hallå gubbar, Maxime here. Yes, in before, I'm very late with this video, but the reason why I didn't upload anything about it before is because I wasn't sure if Valve were gonna do something about it. You know, like pack the files inside the VPKs to make it harder for us to tweak stuff. But the custom font still seems to work fine. And the same thing, as you can obviously see, for the background. So, how do you change the Nuke background? Inside the CSGO folder, open Panorama and then Videos. Here you will find Nuke, Nuke 540p, and Nuke 720p. They are so-called WebM files, and they control the video you see in the background. All you have to do is replace them with other WebM files and give them the same names. After that, you should notice the changes in-game. The ones you see here are actually my own. I created a backup folder and put the default files here. Now you're probably wondering, are there any finished presets that I can use right now if I just want to grab something to change it to something else? A guy named Nanobyte has created a neat website so you can try out different map background images. Just choose a map, click download, choose a version, and do the steps that I mentioned. I'll link the site in the video description. Another site you could use is jiffycat.com, where you can find lots of animated stuff which are saved with the WebM format, so they will work as well. Next question. How do you convert images or video files to WebM? There are many different services that you can use, but the one I like is called Video Online Convert. I'll put it down below. In the list, choose Convert to WebM. Here you need to select your media file. It can be a picture or a video. VP8 is the default codec, however, VP9 looks much better, so I would recommend that, unless you want the size to be smaller. Wait for it to complete itself, and now you're ready to put it in the game. Final question, how do you make a CSGO map background from scratch? First, you record some footage. You can use CL_drawHUD 0 and 1 and R_draw other models 0. Next, you put your footage inside a video editor. I like to use Vegas. Don't change the lighting too much because the player model is very bright. This is also why I recommend not using a dark map as background because it's going to look a bit weird. You can also try to blur your footage if you want. I decided not to. Now, if you are like me, but this is not necessary, you can make sure the rendered footage loops nicely. I don't like seeing sudden changes from when the video starts over, so I made sure that this footage wouldn't have that issue. In my render settings, I chose 10K bitrate, but you can definitely go much lower than that, especially if there's not a lot of movement in your footage. And I also used 30 FPS because that's what the original files were using. Alright, that pretty much covers the entire subject. I hope this video was helpful and easy to understand. Also, for a bit of ECL news, after some hard work from developers and staff, we managed to release our brand new report feature. This will make things much easier for you, of course, but also for the admins, since it gives us more control. And you probably know already, but that's where I play all my competitive games. It's really cool to meet so many of you guys there, and because of that, it's been the best matchmaking experience I've ever had. If you are not part of ECL, there's a link down below if you wish to know more. Anyway, that was the video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and go bananas.